everyone, welcome to A-Roof Performance. Today we will be installing the Remus OPF Back System onto our new G80 M3 Development car. Remus exhausts are one of our best selling systems with superb build quality, awesome sound and appearance and a vast array of tail tip choices. With the G80 M3 being like most new cars with OPF filters, the sound is often quite muted and often too quiet for most, especially petrol heads, and let's face it, there's going to be plenty of time for no noise when all cars go electric. Now onto this specific Remus system. One of the main advantages is it uses the OEM valves where you can select the valves to either be open or closed, given an almost stock sound level when closed if you don't wish to annoy your neighbours, and open when you're on some nice favourite bit of B-road and want to release the sound fully of your exhaust. This system is both suitable for rear wheel drive and X-drive. Our choice for this system is we have chosen the chrome black tips with the Remus logo. This system is OPF back and therefore MOT compliant, doesn't require any tuning and will give you no EML. There's also a OPF deletion variant which we advise for off-road and track use only. If fitting the deletion version, it does require tuning, which we also offer as part of our Stage 2 tuning package. Today we'll be showing you some before and after sound clips with the valves open and closed on video and on the dyno before and after the Remus install. We will be developing our tuning for the latest generation M3 and M4 with a host of packages for both power handling for both road and track use. We already had the car on the dyno this morning for a base run to give us an idea of where it stacks up to BMW's claim of 505 horsepower. This particular car, 497 horsepower, 600 Newton meters of torque. We don't, however, know what quality of fuel was in it. Fuel can make such a big difference to it. Based upon the logs of the car and with quite a bit of ignition pull, I quite expect this car's got 95 run fuel in it. We would all advise on any performance car to run 99 run fuel. So right, now onto the install.